Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anindya Ovi Absari from the Cooperative Economy Education Class 2017. I will present my fieldwork practice report in line B. Firstly, I will deliver the place and time of fieldwork practice. Two, I will convey review public company. Then that all three, I will explain more about the field of work. And the last, that 4, I will submit the conclusion and suggestion. Let's get into the first, namely the place and time of execution of fieldwork practice. I carry out fieldwork practice in the Pusat Pengembangan Kompetensi Pendidik, Tenaga Kependidikan dan Kejuruan atau P2 KPTK 2, Jakarta Utara dan Kepulauan Seribu are located in Jalan Rawat Rate 1, nomor 2, Jakarta, kawasan industri Pulau Gadung. I carry out street vendors during the 20 days commencing from the date of 3 February until 28 February 2020, with hours of work a day, Monday until Friday. Start from at 8 a.m. to hour break at 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. in place in parts of certification. And the second is an overview of the company that discusses the company's history, vision and mission, and organization structure. First, the history of the company, built in the year 1973 and was inaugurated May 22, 1975 by the President of the Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Suharto. Was given the name Center for Training Education Technique, or PLPT, has a duty to serve the training and practice of students of SMK groups of technology and industry in the region of the province of Jakarta who have not had the facility of practice. Before becoming P2 KPTK 2 as it is now, it has experienced three name changes. The first, in the year 1978, the name was changed into BLPT, or Hall Training Education Technique. But in the year 2002, its name was changed into Hall Training Education Vocational Pulau Gadung, which is UPT Departemen Dikmenti. And the last, in the year 2010, by Decree Governor of the Province of Jakarta number 55 of 2010, was changed again to Pulau Gadung Vocational Education Training Center, Jakarta, until now. Furthermore, the vision of P2 KPTK 2 when it is achieving education were complete and qualified for all. To carry out the mission as follows: realizing access are equitable and fair, realizing learning that quality, realizing that effectiveness of bureaucracy in educational service, improving the quality and quantity of educational faculties and infrastructure, enhancing the role of the education ecosystem, realizing governance and accountability, transparency of education. Then the last, exciting structure of organization. The structure of organization P2 KPTK 2, most top there is the head, where he led and organized the execution of the text, and then at the bottom there is a subdivision of administration in charge of planning a strategies and budget plans. Underneath again, there are three parts that have the same level, namely the executing unit competence development education in charge of carrying out activities of development competence of education. Executing unit workforce development composing material guidelines, standard operation procedures, P2 KPTK 2 in accordance with the scope of their duties. The executive development unit of competency vocational charge of preparing the program development competence of vocational. And the lowest is the functional position subgroup, which is text with carrying out text in the P2 KPTK 2 structural organization structure. Make a list of participants of the training and assessor to input data themselves participant of the training on the website BNSP serving taking certification participant of the training. Thirdly, there is the field of work, that is the activities that I do for street vendors. Constraints are encouraged and how to cope with the problem such. The first activity that I did during field work practice is make a list of participants of the training and assessor. First, I put in the data themselves, participant of the training and the test competency on Microsoft Excel, and subsequently on the website BNSP, enter the data such as the name of participant, date of birth, address, and the others. Next, the activities that I did were handling certificates such as tidying up the participants' biodata, pasting photo, doing stamping, certificate scanning to certificate checking service. And finally, help office achieved. The obstacle that I faced is that in operating the BNSP website, user experience a little difficult when inputting data because it turns out that not all training participants' data and assessor are complete, while on the website BNSP, when inputting the data is not as complete, not to submit. The way I deal with the problem is before that I make sure that the participants' data is complete or not. If it turns out incomplete and the task other staff on to request complete data or can directly contact the training participant themselves. The next obstacle is the lack of exciting computers and frequent Wi-Fi network disruption. How I overcame these obstacles, I decided to bring their own laptop and to my Wi-Fi network interference problems to cope using mobile hotspot or a text that did not need to use the internet network. The last, there are conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion in outline of the science that I can for field work practice, namely, the first, give motivation to think more about and determine the profession of your dreams in the future. The second, I became feels complete to stay mentally to face the challenge that will be faced in the world of work. I am trained to be more responsible for a job, acquire knowledge about the system of training in P2 KPTK 2, ranging from preparatory training to the training end. I can master how to use office equipment such as photocopy tools, scanners, and Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Then there are suggestions for students, the university, and the company. First, the students are expected to improve the ability of himself in the field work practice of mechanics who live in order to make it easier to complete the task of his work with a sense of full responsibility. Then for the university is to create a relationship that is good with various companies that can facilitate students in looking for a place to carry out street vendors. Furthermore, for company or agency provide motivation to students so that students don't feel bored in completing their assessment. Okay, this is the report of my presentation of field work practice in P2 KPTK 2. If there were a mistake, apologies for that. I'm doing the best I could.
And the last but not least, I will greeting wabillahi wa taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, fighting.
Thank you so much.